Hey guys, we're back. We're not on the trail. We actually forgot to record this while we were on the top of the mountain, but we're doing this post commentary. We actually went to Cuyamaca Peak
in San Diego.
Yep, and we really enjoyed it. It was pretty awesome, and you guys will see the footage. It was pretty nice. It's not gonna be like a trail video like usual. It's going to be just like mostly the highlights, so hopefully you guys enjoy it.
Yeah, and if you want to see an actual full trail video, definitely let us know in the comments. But we went as part of a group hike. It was about 40 to 50 people, and the group hike was hosted by 3 groups: High Hikers, Azteca Hikers, and Jaguar Hikes. You can find them on Instagram. But it's definitely fun to go ahead and get to know the hiking community, and you start to realize how small it actually is. But if that's something that interests you and you want to be a part of, definitely drop that in the comments and we'll give you the deets.
Yep, so hopefully you guys enjoy the footage and the video, and we'll see you guys next time.
Later.
Say what's up, say what's up.
Oh, they're
Good.
freaking the white.
I love the Sandstone Peak one. It was amazing.